Hello everyone, welcome to Math Cognizant. This video is about finding the value of c from a given figure using the exterior angle property as well as the supplementary angle property. So as we all know, for the supplementary angle, the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree in a straight line, and the exterior angle property is the exterior angle is always equals to sum of two opposite angles. This question we can write the equation z is equals to 8y plus 2x plus 2y. Let's start by forming the first linear equation by using supplementary angle property, that is 4x plus 5y plus z is equals to 180 degree. This is a straight angle property also. Now, the next part of the equation is using the exterior angle property. Let's substitute the value of c as 8y plus 2x plus 2y in the above equation. So, in place of z, we'll write down 8y plus 2x plus 2y. That's equals to 180 degree. Now let's simplify this equation by using the like term property. So 4x and 2x are the like terms. Let's add them together. It gives you 6x, and 5y plus 8y plus 2y, that gives us 15y. Plus 15y is equals to 180 degree. Simplify this equation, get it to its lowest form and divide it by 3. So 2x plus 5y is equals to 60 degree. Now let's mark this equation as number 1. Let's form the second equation by using the straight angle property, that is 2x plus 2y plus 150 degree is equals to 180 degree. That is, just write it down. Let's simplify this equation. 180 minus 150, that gives you 2x plus 2y is equals to 30 degree. Now let's mark this equation as number 2. Equation number 2. These two are the linear equations. So let's simplify it using the elimination method. You can watch my previous video about the elimination method, how to solve the linear equation. So we have these two equations here, and let's change the sign, multiply with negative sign the second equation. So positive 2x and negative 2x get cancels. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3y, and 30 minus 60 minus 30 equals to 30. So 3y equals to 30. This is a multiplication equation. We need to do the opposite action, that is division. It's left with 30 divided by 3 equals to 10. So y is equals to 10 degree. Now substitute the value of y in any of these equations and then find the value of x. I have taken the second equation here. So in place of y, just write down 2 times 10 equals to 30. So 2x plus 20 equals to 30. So 2x equals to 30 minus 20, and 2x equals to 30 minus 20 is equals to 10 degree. Again, it's a multiplication equation, so we need to do the opposite action, that is division. So divided by 2, x equals to 5 is the final answer. We have the value of x and we have the value of y. Then we can easily substitute these values and find the value of z. Use it in any of these equations and then solve to find the value of z. Here, just let me write down y equals to 10 and x equals to 5 degree. And take the previous equations, that is 4x plus 5y plus z equals to 180 degree. In place of x, let me write down 5 plus 5. In place of y, let's substitute it with 10. Z plus z equals to 180 degree. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 5 times 10 is 50 plus z equals to 180 degree. Now z equals to 180 minus 70 degree. So the final answer is z is equals to 110 degree. That's how we can find the value of z using different properties of geometry. You should know the properties of exterior angle, property of supplementary angle, as well as the linear equations to solve such type of problems. Hope you understood this concept. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified on our latest videos.